Hi friends, are you ready to learn about trigonometric ratios of value? Today give us such types of trick we cannot forget as a whole life. If you remain such trick, you cannot forget the value of trigonometric ratios or standard angles of trigonometric ratios from 0 to 360 degree, and I divided such categories, such angle into 4. First is from 0 to, this is the first quadrant, and this is the second quadrant, and this is a quadrant, and this is a fourth quadrant. We now from first quadrant of first angle sine. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 0 to 4. So first you take 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is our number from 0 to 4, and we have to dividing by 4. Divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4. Do the square root. Square, 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 square and square. What is the result? 0 divided by 4 and 0. Square root of 0 is 0. 1 by 4. 1 by 4, the square root of 1 by 4. 1 by 2. 2 by 4, it means 1 by 2. 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. The 1 by root 2. And root 3 by 4, it means root 3 by 2. And 4 by 4 is equal to 1. This is the value of first sine from 0 to 90. The first value of sine ratios from 0 to 90. We have put 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. This is our value of sine, and we have to, and second condition, in second condition, first second is cos, and we have to find the value of cos. The cos, value of cos, we have to write the same value of sine, but not side, from right side. 1 by 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, and 1 by 2 and 0. This is our value. This is our value of cos. This is the value of cos, and again you have to find the value angle of tan, but we erase it. Tan, what the formula of tan? The formula of tan is tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta. We have to divide by sin divided by cos. The 0 divided by 1, 0 divided by 1, 0, 0 divided by 1, 0, and 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. 2 is the second denominator, and that goes into the of 4. This is cancel. It means 1 by root 3. This is the, and again this condition that goes this is the 1. If you write 1 by root 2 divide 1 by root 2, so that changes into 1 by root 2 and root 2 by 1. This is a 1. So we have to write there 1. So after that we have to divide this by this 2 cancel only root 3, and we have to divide it by 1 divided by 0. It means if there is any number, if you divide it by 0, the result became infinite. Result became infinite. This our 3 values. After that we have to write the value from there. Root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. This is the value of sign in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant we have to this and this. In the second quadrant we have to flow. This is our 4 A S T C. In first condition also all ratios are positive, and second condition, second quadrant sign is positive. So there is no any changes in the from. We start from 0. 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. And in the third quadrant sign is only tan is positive, sign is negative. We have to write negative sign. Negative value and negative value. This is 1 from start 1 from here. Root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. And the last condition, there is a cos only positive, so sign is a negative. Minus, but 0 is negative or positive, both are same. Our trick that we flow, we have to remain that this is a 0 from start. There is a 1 in the end point is 1, and we start from here, and end point is 0, so we start from here, and again end point is 1, so start from here. This is the trick. You have to follow this trick. As the same way you have to write here. There is an ending point of this is 0, so you have to write from here. You have to write from here. 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. End is from 1, so we have to write there. Root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. End from 0, so start from here. 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. And you have to remain cos. In which quadrant cos is negative? Second quadrant and third quadrant is negative. So in the second quadrant negative, and third quadrant is also negative. So 0 you have to write negative or positives, both are same. we have to write 10. We have to start from here. Root 3 1 by root 3 0. 0 is the end point of the first quadrant, so we start from here. 1 by root 3 1 root 3, so infinite, and infinite is the end point, so we start from here. Root 3 1 by root 3 and 0. We have to remind what ASTC. In the ASTC, A is first is positive, second only sign, so negative. You don't write negative value, so negative. And third quadrant is positive and fourth quadrant is negative. Fourth quadrant minus negative and negative. This is our formula, and we have to find next 3 term. We have to write next 3 term. We have to find the quote. The quote, after that quote is infinite, and root 3 1 by root 3 and 0. And again you follow this step, root 3 1 and end point is 0, so we start from here. 1 by root 3 1 3 and infinite is end point, so we start from here. 3 1 by root 3 0, so 0 is the end point, so from here root 3 1 root 3 and infinite. 10 के हुन्छ ASTC, तो ASTC फर्स्ट र बीचमा के हुन्छ नेगेटिभ हुन्छ, and in the quote is in the middle. Second quadrant and third quadrant is negative only, first quadrant and the fourth quadrant is positive, so from second quadrant negative, so you don't write negative. 0 is not important to write negative, so positive. And as the same condition we have to write the formula of sec means 1 by cos, and you have to change 2 by root 3 and root 2, and this is goes into of 0, and this is the 0. If in the lower case 1, so infinite. 0 divided by 1 and 1 goes into of 1 by 0 equals to infinite. From infinite we have flow same condition, which condition is we flow in a above. From infinite you have write properly infinite, and we start from here. 2 root 2 by root 3 1, end from here 2 by root 3 root 2 and from, and we have to write infinite, so we write 2 root 2 by root 3 2 by root 3 and 1. And same condition ASTC I mean sec ASTC, sec. The only in first condition all are positive, and second condition is only sine third. The sec it means cos. Only last condition, these two condition are negative. So negative, 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 negative. And cosec you have to write the same as a sec from here, infinite to root 2, 2 by root 3, 1, and we flow same condition. Which condition we flow in the above? Infinite is 1, so I start from here. 2 by root 3, root 2 to infinite, and infinite from here we write from here 2 root 2, 2 by root 3, 1, and we start from here 2 by root 3, root 2 to infinite. This is the our formula of trigonometric ratios or standard angles of trigonometric ratios. In this way we have to find the value of 6 trigonometric ratio from 0 to 360 degrees. If you like the video, press the like button, and you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and press the don't miss the next video.